Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn how to download and install XAMPP in Windows. First, open your browser and search XAMPP. Next, click on first link. You can see I reached XAMPP website. Here, you can see a different download option for different operating system. We are downloading for Windows, so click on Window option. In download section, you can see our setup start downloading. I cancel this, because I already download this setup. Now, we see the process of installation. First, open your downloaded setup. Next, click on OK. Then, click on Next button. Again, click on Next button. Here, you can choose a location where you want to install XAMPP. I install in C drive. Again, click on Next button. Again, click on Next button. Now, our setup ready to install. For installation, click on Install button. It's take a little bit time for installation, so I fast this part. Next, allow Apache server to access your system. Next, uncheck the box if you don't want to open XAMPP automatically. Next, click on Finish button. Now, your XAMPP install successfully. So, I open this. In search bar I search XAMPP. Next, click on Open button. First, start Apache and MySQL server. Next, allow MySQL to access your system. Next, click on MySQL admin. Here, you can write MySQL query. If you want to create a database without query, then click on New button. First you write a database name. Next, click on Create button. Our database created successfully. Now I create a table in our database. You can also select the size of column. Next, click on Create button. Here, you can enter your field name and size according to your own requirement. Then click on Save button. So, our table created successfully. If you want to create another table in same database, then click on New button within the database. Here you can also change the column size according to your requirement. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.